What's up, buddy? Are you hungry? Get it. Oh, feeding the dinosaur. Hey guys, welcome to this video. This is going to be a one-hit wonder thrift series video, but first, we've got a ton of stuff to pull because we made some massive sales last night. Very excited to show you. Right here we have our little notepad. I've written down everything that we need to pull. Poshmark, we had 4 sales. For Ferrari, we had big fat goose egg. And then for eBay, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But one of those 7 has actually a pair of shoes and a baseball bat combined, and it's going overseas. So pretty excited about that. I wrote down the prices next to it, so you can either pause this and look, or I'll just tell you when we pull the items. All right, guys, we're gonna go over the price of everything that's sold. Some of this stuff I sold a little bit lower than what they would normally sell for because I'm in the business of selling shoes, not hoarding shoes. And if I can get a double or triple my money, even if it comes in a little bit under the higher prices of what it can sell for, I'm good with that because I can turn around and buy more shoes and make more sales faster. It's all about the fast nickel versus slow dime for me. I would rather the fast nickel. So the first pair we have that sold on Poshmark is this pair right here. It's a pair of Nikes that sold for $18 plus shipping. Everything here is plus shipping. This pair of Nikes that sold for $24 plus shipping. I paid $5.50 a pair on these 3 here. This pair I think I sold a little bit low, but it's all about that fast nickel. This pair of Nikes sold for $23 plus shipping. I probably could have held out for $30, $35. However, I'd rather get the 23 fast and be able to flip that and get another pair of shoes quickly. This pair was a market to market flip, so I bought this pair for $12 plus shipping on Mercari, cleaned them up because they were pretty filthy, and sold them for $50 plus shipping. So you can buy shoes if you know where to look, you know how to send offers in a manner where you're respectful, but also asking for a really steep discount. I did get these for $12 plus shipping. I think it was the $7.99 FedEx shipping, if I'm not mistaken. So I got these for $12 plus $7.99. So we were all in at 20 bucks. Sold them for $50 plus shipping on Poshmark. Now over to the eBay stuff. I sold this jersey. The MSRP on this jersey is $90. However, I paid, I think $6 when it averaged out. I bought it from a mystery box, or I received it in a mystery box, and the average price for each thing in the mystery box was like $6 to $8, somewhere in there. Sold it for $20 plus shipping. It took me forever to sell this. This has been listed for 9 months. This pair of Nikes here, you can't really, it's hard to see them. There we go. This pair of Nikes sold for $29 plus shipping. This pair of Nikes I bought for myself from the thrift for $7.50, Air Max 90s. However, even though they were a size 11, they did not fit me. I really have to go for a 12 when it comes to Nikes. Sold them for $49 plus shipping. Pretty decent. This pair of Under Armour, I've had these listed for 2.5 years. I got them for $8 on discount from Ross. Yeah, 2.5 years I've had these listed. Ridiculous. However, I sold that pair of Under Armour baseball cleats plus this bat right here, Select 718 Louisville Slugger. Sold that bundle to an international buyer for $89 free shipping, and that's going to go to from Virginia to Kentucky, where it will be then processed through the eBay global shipping program. So that's how that's working. I won't have to pay very much on shipping with that, but I'm just happy to have those out of here. This pair of Monster, these are size 14 Adidas. Sold these Adidas for $25 plus shipping. Sold this pair of Nikes right here, just basic Nikes. I think they're the Nike Free Run 5.0. Sold them for $29 plus shipping. And then finally, last but not least, this pair of Nike Air Force One lows. Sold them for $29 plus shipping out the door. Each one of these pairs cost me $5.50. This one, like I said, cost $7.50. This one was $9, $5.50, and then, I don't know, $6 to $8 for that. Overall, really happy with the sales that we made here. Looking forward to getting this stuff packaged up and sent out, and then sourcing. So I will catch you in the next clip at the thrift. What's up, guys? We are at this little thrift store. I've not been to this store in a while, probably over a year. A lot of the stuff here is really competitively priced, $2 and below, most of it. Let's get in there and see what we can find. Remember the premise, one thrift store, one item, $15 or less. Let's go. I forgot my maska. All right, let's go. All right, guys, jumping into this thrift store. This thrift store used to actually be a church. They cleared it out and they started packing stuff in there. It's called Rescue Thrift, and all of their proceeds go toward helping rescue people, homeless people and that sort of thing. Found this Stanley thermos, definitely not worth it. It was $7. They don't resell for that much. Kind of walking down the coats here. Coats are a risky thing right now because winter will be ending soon, but I decided to look anyways. Found a few suede coats in here. Nothing worth buying today though. This shirt was super interesting. It felt like a 1970s kind of vibe, but the tag was totally faded, so I passed on it. Found a pair of overalls. I believe these were Levi's. I'm not 100% sure. Can't quite remember. But they were absolutely ginormous, so I did not pick them up because I felt like it would be something that would be hard to sell. Found this USMC Marine Corps backpack. Passed on it, though. Anytime I see racks standing alone like this in the aisleway, I always check because it's often inventory that has just come out from the back and has not been sifted through. I got way too involved with this solid wood bingo set. I don't know why. I just got distracted and was having some fun playing bingo, I guess. Rolling around. There's no rhyme or reason as to how this store is set up. Was going through the men's shirts, found this Hawaiian shirt. It's actually a Paradise Found for LL Bean. LL Bean does not make Hawaiian shirts, but this Paradise Found company made one for LL Bean. Jumping through, I found this canvas material Harley Davidson shirt. Later on, I referenced this shirt as having an embroidered back. It's not embroidered, it's patchwork. My apologies, my mistake. However, a really cool piece. Going around the shirts, still looking for those short sleeve button downs because summer will be here before you know it. Found this Rain Spooner shirt. Very cool design, kind of a tiki thing going on there. I picked it up. Going back through the sweaters and jackets, I found this hoodie. I ended up getting it for myself. We'll talk about that more in a few moments. It's so soft. I'm actually wearing it while I edit this video right now. All right, guys, this was not a one-hit wonder video. This is the 3-hit wonder because we locked it in today. I cannot wait to share with you what we found in that store. Incredible. Give me a second. Let's open this trunk of the Thriftmobile. You know what it is, Thriftmobile. All right, so I bought one item for myself and 3 items for my eBay store. The item for myself is just this, I don't know. It's a Buffalo David Bitton hoodie. It's so soft and comfy. And yes, I know we're going into summertime. However, I keep my office frigid during the summer. And so I bought that for myself for $2. All in all, we walk out of the store paying $8. We got 3 items to resell. Let's check them out. First thing we got is this Paradise Found for LL Bean Honolulu, Hawaii shirt. We're going into summer. This is a great find. $2 resells for $35. Super pumped about this. Really great, colorful piece in excellent condition. $2. Next, we have this long sleeve Harley Davidson 3XL, kind of a canvas shirt. Definitely needs to be washed. I feel a little bit grossed out holding it, but it's awesome. On the back side, you have the old embroidered Harley Eagle silhouette looking crisp. Got some awesome stitching, some zigzag stitching on there. Overall, a dynamic piece. It's brown, which is a little bit different than what most Harley Davidson stuff is. So most of it is black. This is brown, which is different and cool. And yeah, so $2. These are going for $35 as well. Finally, the last piece of the day, $2 for this. This is a Rain Spooner vintage piece. I believe it's vintage. Don't hold me to that. However, I was looking at other shirts with this same tag. They were labeling them as vintage. I don't think that these are vintage, this particular tag. However, this shirt selling for $45. Not this print necessarily. We couldn't find this print because they come in thousands of prints. But this shirt, this kind of thing, the tropical or Hawaiian kind of feel, the tiki feel. Yeah, this shirt paid $2, $45. Not a bad haul. So $8 altogether. I'm gonna work that cost of the hoodie that I bought for myself into the cost of the day so that I end up getting that for free and everything else pays for it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you got value from it. If you did, if you enjoyed it, it's free to just click that like button. All you have to do is just click it. It's free and it helps out the channel. So if you would be so kind and you feel so inclined, click the like button. If you're not already subscribed, consider subscribing to see more content like this. And as always, we'll see you on the next video.